I'm trying to determine the voltage of a Maple Chase doorbell to see if it's compatible with a Nest doorbell.
Have you talked to an electrician about your Nest doorbell?
No.
What have you tried so far with your Nest doorbell?
No.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I haven't bought it yet. I have the cover off the Maple Chase.
Hello. Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be assisting you. Please note that you may see an offer for a phone consultation, for an additional fee. This offer is automatically generated by the website, and does not originate from me. You can disregard it, unless you would like a phone consultation. I can help you determine the voltage of your existing doorbell system. Do you have a voltmeter with 2 leads and a digital display?
No.
Okay. Are you able to post a photo of the part you have open? Is it the chime?
Does this help?
Thank you for posting the photo. Unfortunately, I will need to see the transformer that drives the system when the button is pushed. It is usually located in a basement area, on a junction box in the ceiling. I have also seen them installed right on the side of breaker panels. Do you need to see a photo of a doorbell transformer?
Please, and I'll go look for it.
One moment while I grab a link to post here. Most likely, your doorbell transformer puts out 16 volts. That is by far the most common operating voltage for doorbells. https://www.mcnobs.com/crat1615.html MESCLKID equals 66910533873188685ab7141 f/83 and _source equals Bing and _medium equals CPC at _campaign equals Bing %20 feed %3 Amy K %3 acraf made and _term equals 4580565444326274 and _content equals craftmade.
Thanks. I'll go look.
If you can get a meter, we can measure the voltage of the chime. The output voltage of the transformer may or may not be marked on it.
Okay. That's what I need to do. Basement is finished and I can't find the transformer anyway.
Okay. To read the voltage, set the meter for AC volts, and place one probe on each of the terminal screws that have a wire connected to them. Then while holding the probes on the screws, ask an assistant to push the doorbell button and hold it in until you get the reading. Should only take a couple of seconds or so.
Thanks, Jason. I picked up a voltmeter this morning and will be back in touch.
Sounds good. Looking forward to helping you resolve the issue.
Jason, I used the multimeter and found out that my doorbell transformer is 13 volts. I need 16 volts to install a video doorbell, so I want to replace the transformer. Unfortunately, our basement is completely finished, even around the electrical box. Do you think a stud metal AC wiring sensor could pick up a transformer behind the sheetrock?
Hello again. It's possible, but the transformer really shouldn't be concealed behind drywall, so it may not be. What is the age of the home? Was the basement finished before you moved in, or after?
The home was built in 1994. I had a contractor finish the basement about 10 years ago.
Rather than try to find the existing transformer behind drywall or some other building material, I'm leaning toward abandoning it and starting over. Are you familiar with a typical doorbell wiring diagram?
Customer attachment October 14, 2028 16:21 p.m.
Okay, good. If you disassemble your chime kit just a little further, you may find that the two wires coming from the transformer's output were routed to the chime first, and then a separate cable from the chime to the button. I'm going to look at the chime picture you already posted while you check to see if there are splices behind the actual chime, in the wall box.
Customer attachment October 14, 2028 16:47 p.m.
In looking at your very first photo again, you don't need to do any further disassembly. I see a splice of two red wires in there. That means the wires from the transformer were most likely routed to the chime. That's good, because we can disconnect them at the chime and cap them off. Is there attic space above the chime?
I can't access the attic, however, I could cut open the sheetrock behind the chimes on the stairway. See the two pics I attached. The one showing the light is the same finished wall as the chimes. The light is almost directly behind the chimes on the other side of the wall.
Okay. If you are willing to cut open the wall, that will make this easier. If you take the splice of two red wires apart in the chime, you'll find that reading from red to white on a pair or set will give you the 13-volt reading. Reading from red to white on the other set will give you a 0-volt reading. You can tell which red goes with which white by looking at the outer covering over the sets. The set coming from the transformer, carrying 13 volts, is the set you want to abandon. You may find that it reads higher than 13 volts when it doesn't have a load on it. If it reads closer to 16 volts, you should try connecting your new system to see if it will work. If not, you can move forward with abandoning the feed from the existing transformer. You'll want to locate the new transformer in a place that can be accessed later, and preferably near the chime. You'll need to get a constant 120-volt power source to the new transformer, which is why electricians often mount them on the side of the breaker panel, or in a knockout on a junction box with outlet circuits in it.
I did what you suggested and I'm getting a reading close to 16 volts, so I'm going to try connecting the new system. However, if it doesn't work and I go ahead and open the sheetrock and do as you suggested above, there is a 120-volt line feeding the light on the other side of the wall behind the chimes. Can I use that for the 120-volt power source?
You would only want to tap into the wiring at the wall fixture if there is a constantly hot wire in the wall box behind the fixture. If it's a switched hot only, then your new doorbell wouldn't work when the wall fixture is turned off.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.